Oh, God.
Joe Tech.
Yo, baby! I'm here with Star Hanson. Yeah!
Hey, what's up? This is Star Hanson, aka Hanson and Davis, Hungry for Your Love. I'm so excited. I'm with Joe Tech. This is my brother. This is my heart. I'm with Mike Fever. Come on, Mike. Show the shirt. Flash. Fever Records in the house. Pop. Actually, we're gonna film tonight the show because we're using the footage for one of my new singles. It's called Gotta Get Me a Bottle, which we just landed sponsorship for. And then we're doing the documentary, and then we're shooting the horror film in September. So I hope you guys have fun.
And check out these shoes, patent leather, baby.
They're very comfortable.
Yeah, they
actually.
look very nice. They look very comfortable.
What do you call a deer with no eyes?
No idea.
No idea. Joe Tech in the house. Pop. That's great music. Get him on tape.
Hey, brother. Let's do that again. Let's do that one more time.
Stacks, get in there, Stacks. This is my new single.
Okay.
With Ray Music 75. We just released a new single. We just locked in sponsorship.
Yeah.
It's called Gotta Get Me a Bottle. I'm stressed out.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm not gonna say if it's. I'm not gonna say if it's. I'm not gonna say if it's. It's. Watch us rock.
No, I gotta
be
bleep.
on deck.
I gotta bleep all those names out. I'm not gonna say it's beep. I'm not gonna say it's beep.
Oh yeah, exactly.
I'm not gonna say it.
Watch this. I'm taking the camera. Let's get Joe Tech.
Oh, God.
Joe Tech.
Yo, baby! I'm here with Star Hanson. Yeah!
There you go. Way up in that style. Way up.
Yeah, man. Stocks live.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
know. Rare music in our place.
Yeah.
Very nice, Jesus.
That is nice.
Yeah, that's good. Nice to see you.
Just for the record, for those of you who don't know, he's really amazing. He plays like 12 instruments or some shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Even saxophone?
I try.
You try.
He's humble.
Yeah, I know. He probably plays it better than me.
This dude right here has a new single out, video.
Hey, just aired on BET, bro.
Just aired on BET.
Really?
Just aired it, yeah.
Yeah.
When it hit BET, he got like 12 girls pregnant in 1 hour. How did he do that? I just made that up. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
We here. Mwah, come check us out. We love you.
Stocks live.
Joe,
music.
you're the man. You're the
Thank
man,
you.
Joe.
Thank you very much, sir.
Good work, man. Good
Yeah,
work.
thanks.
Love it. We're gonna blast it. We're gonna blast it, man.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You guys know where the upstairs is? Let's have some fun. Come on. You're a pisser. What?
He said left.
I gotta talk to the DJ.
He said left.
How you doing,
So
man?
this is your room?
You are.
And the
You're
front
performing
photo-
tonight?
No, my son is donation.
Your son is Tonasia.
Yes.
Your son is cool.
Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Tony Tonasia. How are you?
I'm with Tony today. I'm
So tonight's song is gonna be called "Hungry for Your Love," and it goes a little something like this. You know, hungry. You heard me on the thing. I did a whole thing with.
That was so.
You saw that, right?
That was so dope. Just for the record, everyone, a lot of people don't know that Tonasia is actually and exactly one of the real true artists that's loyal and dedicated to sharing their gift and their voice and their writing to the world. As artists, a lot of people don't know, you know, what we go through sometimes just to share. No, really.
This could be a reality TV show, but we're not gonna get into
I know, it's so good. It's so good, though.
It definitely could be.
But a lot of people don't know what we go through.
Behind the scenes, people see only the on stage.
They
But
want the
behind the scenes-
entertainment,
Well,
but
this
they
is
don't
behind the
know.
scenes, essentially.
They don't know. They don't know
Are we out of the picture?
what we go through.
Here you go. So you take a picture.
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work.
Hanson, look.
A picture. Wait, let me get my tradition. Let me get my traditional picture. You ready? I can't.
Can't with him.
You too.
See, leave Joe out. I'm a nobody.
Yes, you know.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe.
Come on.
I didn't know, but wake up like about 3 o'clock in the morning and say, yo, you must be on there.
Ray, come, Ray.
It was good, man.
Take a picture. Come
Take a picture, please.
Come on.
Listen, he scared the hell out of me too, so don't worry.
Can we actually fit it? Can we do the long ways? Do you have enough room?
Excuse me. You want it?
Lego.
You want us to go right here? And then
No, we're fine. No, this is fine.
Good.
You got us all?
Keep it simple.
Nice.
One more.
Of course. Man.
One for safety.
Don't crackle up there. This is why I carry my band. Picture that. I don't even come without it. I don't even
That'll work.
Oh my dude! I just fell in love with you.
Is that
honey?
You better
is that
get a
Long
spoon.
Island, honey?
If this was a girl, I'd marry her.
yeah.
Excellent. They'll give you a couple.
That'll actually work.
That's exactly right. You know, my voice is getting really dry because you're screaming.
So you guys gonna do a duet
You
together?
don't listen. This is why I tell
You don't
people all the
listen.
time. Listen.
I love that.
You meet, I say, this is why I don't listen. I'll be honest with you. I love my fans. I'm a people person. Turn that off.
No, it just stays on. Has to stay on.
I love meeting. I love all that shit.
That's
But
the best part.
But what happens is that when you speak and scream over the music, so it's either I meet and greet everybody before the show and have no voice for the show, or do my show and tear and then meet everybody afterwards. And so people don't understand this. It's not that I don't love you, I don't want to meet you. It's that I can't meet everybody all at one time and say and talk to everybody because my voice would be shot. And screaming over the music, you get polyps, you get all these problems. And when you're straining your voice like that, then I'm only going to hit my notes and that'll be the end of that. And then I'll have the reputation that I can't sing, which isn't true because I can sing my ass off. Turn that bitch out.
I knew that was coming.
He fucking spins and I'll
Professionalism.
Oh, say something, Lou.
Louis Nitrella from Yonkers, Westchester County.
I already introduced myself.
Again,
Again?
you're with him.
Dave Varello, Fever Records.
Thank you. Jeez, I can edit that in.
There you go. See, you're good at that. All right. Where am I going to see this?
We're literally ready to go on stage thanks to Salabatello Fever Records. We're getting ready to unveil.
Only a sleeve.
Wait.
Only a sleeve.
Wait. Tonasia. Only a sleeve?
Only a sleeve.
Ah, he's pulling out.
It's like peanut butter,
Yeah,
no jelly.
exactly. He's pulling out before anything
Cereal,
happens.
no milk.
You only need a tip. That's it.
Only a tip.
Cheese, no burger.
Alright, so this is the sleeve, and if you go like this, it turns silvery.
Wow.
If you go like this, it turns black
Wow.
again. That's all you get to see. Bye.
That's it.
I'm on the GoFundMe page, and if we make any more money, we're going to donate it to the American Cancer Society.
that's very nice.
So I was wondering if you were thinking about, you should look into it. It's actually MafiaWarChronicles.com. Check it out. If you're interested, do what you got to do. But it'd be great. You seem like the type of guy that, because you're a paisano.
Well, actually, I am in movies myself.
Okay.
And I'm in the middle right now of shooting a weekly series called The Neighborhood.
Okay.
And I'm a Janessa captain named Sally Shades.
Okay. I'm actually Paulie Cavallo in mine. Babyface. Paulie Babyface Cavallo.
There you go. And we've already shot 2 episodes.
love you, son. What's up, Shark Island? I'm not worthy. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. We're gonna take this back to my second single called Games of Love. I love you, Tori. I didn't forget. Tommie, Nappi, and I go back, way back to the beginning of my career. And this is on the fly tonight, so we're gonna rock the house, me and him. There you go. Say oh! She's a true, but I really care. My friends call me fool for loving blind. But what can I do if my ears are dry? Ready to believe that your love was there. But I just think that you didn't get these chances at so much. Thank you for coming out. What's up? What's up? Thank you. I love you tremendously. Tremendously.
Put your hands together, my man Hanson. Who you be Hanson Davis? Hungry for your love.
Wow, what an introduction, right? Let's start the track. Are you ready? Let somebody scream! Come on! Hungry, come on. Hungry for your love. Sing with me! Hungry. Hungry for your love. Hungry. It's so very special to me. Your body's moving, your lips like candy, so sweet and oh so soothing. I've been waiting all night for you to come. I've been infatuated by you, and I please have some. I want to take it back to freestyle. This is one of my new singles. I got 3 new singles out. One film, shooting my documentary, shooting a horror film in September. So what's it here? Come on! I just came out the closet. See that? I can't help it. You don't see that? You do the best you can, you give all you got.